Is it time to buy Bitcoin? FOMO is coming back to the market. You want to know the last information? Do you want to get out of this, or do you want to miss the train? No, smash the like button. This is Crypto News, Fun on the Right Crypto. At top, I tell you here that Bitcoin keeps on going higher. We are about to break again $35,000 if we are lucky. And in previous videos, we told you about our path to $40,000. You can see here also that the total market cap is breaking previous points and we are going up. So a lot of money is flooding into the crypto world. That is so cool. And if we compare the situation with 2015, we've been doing so for a long time. You can see that we just need maybe a retest in the baseline, so we have the parabolic mode again. The halving is between 178 days to 181 days. And you can see here from Reg Capital that the previous two times we had that, we have consolidation, we have retracement, and now we are rallying already. So what do you think is going to happen? Also, he would tell you that any retracement you have right now would represent an outside opportunity for the next few years. So are we going to keep on rallying like this, or maybe not? What you think the market right now? Fighting for the green. The most important ones keep being on the green. In the bubbles, you can see a PEPE going up 30% today. FTT, they even have allegedly some offers to buy the brand FTX and rebuild it, something like that. Gala is also there. You can see Matic App, Neo. So this all feels a little bit like a bull market when all the cryptocurrencies go crazy. And the thing is, we are greedy. We are in the 71 right now. That's why we are telling you that crypto FOMO is coming back. I'm there. I'm Leonardo DiCaprio, just celebrating all the time we've been waiting for this moment to occur. The sentiment in the crypto market is in the same point it was at the all-time high, the last one, the 69,000. You can see here, it's true that we've been in the 99 at some point in the past, but right now we are so high that we are in the same point that we were just days away of the moment that Bitcoin started going down. So hopefully this is not the case again, and we start going down from this point. Let's keep the greed going up. We told you, maybe you're running out of time. Bitcoin is unstoppable, and we are in a rocket. 3, 2, 1. We're going to the moon. Watch all those videos. Smash the like button. Remember, it helps us a lot. And we also told you in one of these videos that we have a strategy for trading in October. We represented that with these emojis. And today, we are digging deeper in Fun on the Right. Thank me in the comments below for all these crazy ideas. You can see this is the yellow path. This is 2015, the one that we are going to follow most likely. I'm not expert. This is not financial advice, but we should go higher and then a little bit down after Halloween with this strategy, then up again and then back down. Maybe the first point is $38,000, then 1 week maybe or a couple of days going down, and we start going up to $55,000. Maybe so. That would be awesome, but then a little bit of retracement. I did what no one else will do for you. I go to TradingView, link in the description below, and I took all the ghost patterns for all the time since 2015 to 2023. And here you have all those charts, and we can get to some conclusions there. You can see we have some good years, some bad years. Some of them were bull runs, some of them were crypto winters, but in the days before and after Halloween, mostly all the time we go up or flat, and then we have some days, maybe a week down, then up again, and then the disaster. You can pause the video and watch it and take your own conclusions. Also, I have it here for you, in the respecting the point we are right now. We were in October the 1st. So if you want to follow the whole thing, You can see from October the 1st to December the 1st and Halloween in the middle. So you can see how similar is the yellow path that you can mostly see in it. And some other ways, like for example, the path for the disaster was very similar before, but then it was very different afterwards. So we'll see which path will follow Bitcoin. I also use the weekly, so maybe this is easier for you to see that we can go up, down, or remain flat, of course, for sure. But I believe the best way of looking at this is with green and red candles and going year by year. So let's get deeper into it. Come on, Rodri, thank you very much for doing so. We go to 2015 here, and you can see green candle before. This is a weekly chart, green candle, green on Halloween, and then red. Here, the same story in 2016, green, green, red. If we go to 2017, green, green, red. If we go to 2018, we had almost green, but it was red, green, red. Then we had here green, red, red. And here the good year of 2020 with all green candles. If we go to 2019, again, it was almost green, but it was red. And then we had green, green, and then red. You can see in 2022, green, green, red. And now we are green. I think we will have a green one and then maybe red. I think that's what's possible to happen. If you measure this, take your own conclusions and leave comments below if you believe it's going to be something different. My happy thought is that we go up, then a little bit down, and then we keep on going higher. Let's the grid keep on going, and still we have some fears. Remember, we have some gaps to be filled. Here we have the picture with some in the $3,000, $7,000, $9,000, $11,000, 2026 and 30 something. So are we going to fill all of them? Are we still going to 3,000 or 9,000? As I still believe can be possible, but that would be a disaster. Of course, dollar is something that concerns me. We are going up with the dollar. I hate that. But it's true that crypto is going up no matter what dollar is doing right now. Are we decoupling? Are we having so many fundamentals and news, important news, that it doesn't matter anymore if dollar goes up? That's cool. And just 1 minute of silence for our friend Jim Cramer, the guy that nails all the time but nails it wrong. He precisely said Bitcoin was doomed the day we started all this crazy parabolic mode. We have good news. Here, the first spot Bitcoin ETF will be approved in October or March, according to FB Alliance Bernstein. A lot of money there. And the SEC is meeting with some of these people asking for an ETF, and they are telling them right now how to get an approval. So little by little, they are going further. MicroStrategy is up. The stock market for Michael Saylor is going up, so he's so happy. And we have this pattern from the Bitcoin therapist. That is the Bart Simpson pattern. Maybe we are in this kind of state right now. That would be awesome. We see children in El Salvador and in Brazil buying fruits with cryptocurrencies, with Bitcoin and Lightning Network. This is awesome to see, awesome to watch. And here you have this New York City bath that use Bitcoin mining to heat the water. We're going to need to go there to relax with all this information. And maybe they are meaning with the method of this guy. He would put a malware in your computer. He's been doing this from the very beginning. So this is a hacker, a white hacker, allegedly. He's telling us that he will go into your computer and he's mining Bitcoin without you noticing it. So crazy. This story from Ryan Montgomery. I leave you the link in the description below if you want to learn how he would go into your computer and without you noticing it, he would make some Bitcoin. And what about this guy from Adam Back, believing that El Salvador is the country doing things okay? Why? Because they are using, like this hacker, they are using their natural resources in order to mine this new gold, which is Bitcoin 2.0. And they might turn the situation from being a poor country to being maybe in the future one of the richest countries in the world. Also, Alexis Ohanian is telling you the same thing. This guy is the co-founder of Reddit, and he's telling you like Bitcoin can't be found in any asteroid outside Earth, and gold might be. So you should invest in Bitcoin. Also, because now MasterCard is partnering with crypto payment firm MoonPay for Web3 services. Unstoppable, as unstoppable seems to be Ethereum today, breaking the fatigue line, breaking moving averages, and following our great path we told you about in yesterday's video. We have some speculations about meme coins, about Dogecoin, about PEPE. Here you can see an important guy from XRP just tweeting a frog, some answers about dogs too. So hello, this is dog. Is this mean that X is going to use Dogecoin in the future? People saying that maybe it's just because of this possibility of using X in the future for making phone calls, like with WhatsApp, etc., but just with your email. And here you have to go to dextools.io in order to follow all these crazy meme coins news in DeFi, etc., etc. You can see PEPE and making money again in my investment. Crazy crypto world. And we had today meme coin, another one called meme, and it got 10 millions just after minutes. Be careful with this one. Even if you want to speculate, you can go to dextools.io and see you have thousands of memes, the same coin with different contracts. So do not be just tricked with that. Go to dextools.io and find the one that is the one you want to invest. And the last good information goes to Chainlink. Vodafone Digital Asset is partnering with Chainlink in order to enhance the exchange of trade documents across platforms, aiming to streamline document transfer and financial transaction proceeding in global trade. Cool stuff for Vodafone, cool stuff for Chainlink, of course. And we have a game, crypto related, that took 20 million just at the launch. So maybe we are changing gears again with the crypto gaming world. That would be awesome. Right now, gamers hate crypto bros, but maybe in the future they will be happy because they're making money and because they are using NFTs for their games. More good stuff, or maybe you consider that a Telegram trading bot Maestro refunded the Ethereum lost. So if you were a user, you were using these bots in Telegram, be careful with them. Well, in this case, you were lucky, you are getting your money back. You have a second chance. And something that scared the hell out of me is that Bank of Spain is embracing digital euro. So again, we're going to have this fight between public blockchains and digital euro now in Spain, pushing it, of course, all related with taxes, something we love in Spain, and controlling your money. Something scary, Binance crypto withdrawals are back online now, but they were temporarily down. And that in the past would mean a fiasco, a candle down, a red one. But yesterday, the market is so strong that we didn't went down. Strong, also cool stuff, that price of Bitcoin is going up. But bad thing is that Ledger might give you some error, like it will fail attempting a transaction due to the raise in the commission they will charge you. Remember, we are turning gears into Trezor, investigating it. We want to know all the opportunities we have out there, and we create a tutorial in the future. Remember also that we have this giveaway from Roundup. You can get this journal with the method for saving 30% of your income, link in the description below. Remember, you have still also till 13th of October for that giveaway, and also to this airdrop in order to get some R&D tokens. And now for the cat section, you have here the queen, the more stylish cat in the world. Of course, to be like her, you need to go to the a hairdresser, and here you have it. It will jump and give you the nice look that you deserve. Here we have another one, now getting ready for this Bitcoin bull run. We need to be handsome, but this guy is exhausted about cryptocurrency news and just wants to chill, wants to relax, and I think that it's a very, very good idea. So if you want this in Spanish, go to our Spanish version of this video in Fun on the Ride. If you want more in English, just wait till next show here. Fun on the Ride, crypto news, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. Remember to watch now one of these 3 videos. To the moon!